Hello, welcome everyone to another video in this channel. So in today's video, we're going to go through the fourth question in the OBJ WAEC 2025 Math Pass question. So it says, town X and Y are located at points -2 on the x-axis and -5 on the y-axis and +3 on the x-axis and +7 on the y-axis, respectively. Calculate the distance between the two towns. Okay, so it means that for town X is located such that it is -2 meters or -2 units on the x-axis and -5 units on the y-axis. And town Y is the same or mapped to 3 units on the x-axis and 7 units on the y-axis. So let's call this our point 1 and let's call this our point 2. Okay. Note that to calculate the distance between these two towns, it is actually given by the distance formula d, which is similar or which is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. So x2 is the x-axis or the x-point of the point 2, or the x-value of the point 2. x1 is the x-value of the point 1. So in this case right now, we're going to have that. For here, we have that our x1 is going to be equal to -2, and then our y1 is going to be equal to -5. For this one, which is for point 2, our x2 is going to be equal to 3, and then our y2 is going to be equal to 7. So if we plug this into this particular equation, we're going to have that this will be equal to x2 is 3, so this is going to be equal to 3 minus, and s1 is -2, so -2 all squared plus, here we're going to have here y2 is 7 minus, and y1 is actually -5, and then we're going to square this. Okay, so let's actually wrap this up first. So 3 here is going to be equal to 3, and negative times -2, which is going to be equal to plus. So this is going to be plus 2 all squared plus, we're going to have it as 7, and negative times negative is actually going to be equal to plus. So this is going to be equal to 7 plus 5 all squared. Okay, so and this is going to be equal to the square root of 3 plus 2 is 5, so 5 squared, and 7 plus 5 is 12, so this is also going to be equal to 12 squared. So 5 squared is going to be equal to 25 plus 12 squared, is going to be equal to 144. So 25 plus 144 is going to be equal to 169. So this is going to be equal to square root of 169. And the square root of 169 is equal to 13 units. So the correct answer out of these options is 13 units, which is option C. So here's a similar question for you to solve. It says that towns A and B are located at points -3 on the x-axis and +4 on the y-axis, and +5 on the x-axis and -2 on the y-axis, respectively. Calculate the distance between the two towns, and the options here are A, 8 units, B, 10 units, C, 12 units, and D, 14 units. So solve this question and drop your answers in the comment section, right? If you like this video, help me to subscribe to this channel. Also share this video with your learning colleagues. Without much further ado, I will leave you to it that math is easy. Do have a nice day. Bye.